Traders, FS Speculator here. Today is Thursday, October 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxspeculator.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar monthly, definitely a pretty strong move down on all the dollar pairs for sure. I mean, there is a pretty good possibility that this will continue down, maybe back towards these lows, but time will tell. I mean, to me, it still looks like a WXY. It still looks like it should go up and make this wave Y and maybe even take out these highs. So, we got CPI today, and we got some more important news coming up. So, time will tell on that, I guess. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here because this move down possibly could still be a correction to this move up. We really can't rule out the possibility of that. So, anyways, taking it down to the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, definitely a very strong move down. I would always label these type of situations as an A or a 1, and to me, it doesn't matter whether it's an A or a 1 because the trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Once it does start a move to the upside, that move up should be a correction to this move down. That should be either a wave B or a wave 2, and just like the A or 1, it's not important to me to know the difference because the trading strategy for a B or 2 is exactly the same, looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, my last structure level on this is right here at this little spike right here, so that means that I am only looking for sells until we get that breaker structure. To me, it definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have CPI inflation data coming out today, so to me, it does kind of seem like it is likely to go up, start this move up for probably a wave A of B or A of wave 2. And like I said, I don't really care whether it's an ABC of B or whether it's an ABC of 2 because it's exactly the same trading strategy. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the structure's right here, so we have no breaker structure yet. I mean, I'm personally gonna wait until we get a breaker structure before I actually go long, but it does kind of look to me like this could be like a 1. Maybe it will drift down. Maybe it's not a 1 because we really haven't hit a fib level yet. So maybe it will drift down, make a new low, stop everybody out before it actually does go up and break structure. Either way, I'm definitely only looking for sells until we get this structure break. Once we get this structure break, I will start looking for longs in this ABC of B or this ABC of 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.